Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today I'm sharing another what I eat in a day video with you all. I have been sharing these every couple weeks lately, so the last few that I've done I will link in the description box below. So today's what I eat in a day is going to be a little bit different because I am in the middle of a 2-week vegan challenge, and I decided to do this because on a normal day, if I am not really pushing myself to eat fruits and veggies, I will default to eating carbs and cheese, carbs and cheese, carbs and cheese. Like that's what I would eat for every single meal. And so in order to push myself outside of my comfort zone as far as cooking and making new recipes, and just in general not gravitating towards meat and dairy products, I am doing this just to kind of see what happens for a couple weeks. And so far I've been enjoying it. It hasn't been too difficult for me. It hasn't been, I guess, as difficult as I thought it would be. I've been enjoying the recipes that I've been making and the food for the most part, and it hasn't been as hard as I've thought to go without meat and cheese. So let's get into the video. I'm going to share with you everything that I eat and drink today, and I hope you guys enjoy. So as always, I'm starting out the morning with a coffee, and I've been liking to use the Nut Pods dairy-free creamer. I typically use half and half in my coffee, but right now obviously I can't have dairy, so I do really like this hazelnut flavor. Alternatively, I have used oat milk before, and all of them are good. This is one of my new favorite mugs that I've gotten. And next up, for my next cup of coffee, I'm going to try one of these 4 Sigmatic packets that I got from Thrive Market. A lot of people have been talking about these on YouTube, and I wanted to try it out, and I am happy to report that I really liked it. I will continue to purchase them. I think that they have a really good flavor, less caffeine than coffee, and they're very creamy. Next, I'm going to make my breakfast. So I've been eating a lot of toast for breakfast. So today I'm just going to have some peanut butter toast on some sourdough bread. I have some peanut butter here that I'm just going to spread on there. I love these squeezable packets from Thrive. I'm also going to have a banana with that. And then I have this raspberry jam that one of my subscribers sent me that she gets it locally. It's really good. So I'm also going to spread that on there. So nothing fancy on this day for breakfast, just some good old peanut butter and jelly toast with a banana. I really think that sometimes simple is best. Mid-morning, I'm going to have some flavored water. So this is a San Pellegrino sparkling water, and I'm just pouring that over some ice. Okay, so I did get an order from Thrive a couple of days ago that I want to share with you guys, the grocery haul that I got from them. And I also want to thank Thrive Market for sponsoring today's What I Eat in a Day video. If you guys aren't familiar with Thrive, you probably haven't watched my videos because I have ordered from them a ton, and I always love getting my specialty ingredients from them. They package their stuff so awesomely. I've never had anything arrive broken or damaged. And if you guys want to try it out, I'll have a link in the description box below. They are having a deal where my subscribers can get a free item up to $24 value. If you guys want to sign up for a membership and try it out, it's risk-free. You can try it for 30 days, and if you don't like it, you can cancel it within that 30 days. So that's nice to know that it's no risk. There are a couple different membership options. There is an option where you can go month to month, but then they also have an annual option that comes out to less than $5 a month, which is the one that I do because I order from them several times a month. But I'm going to go ahead and unpack this stuff, and I'll share with you guys what I got. Okay, so here is everything that I ordered. They have the new Smart Sweets on their site, and you guys have probably seen me order these before in the other kinds, but these are the sour melon bites, and I thought Adam and I could try those. So you get 2 of them, and they are a really good price on their site if you're interested in these. They also have like the fish ones and the Sour Patch Kids one if you're looking for those. I also decided to try some of their vegan mayo. I really wanted to order from them this week just because I'm doing this vegan challenge right now. So I knew that I could get some things from them that I couldn't find in my regular grocery store. So I'll typically use this for like a dressing or to make like the chickpea salad. sandwich, which I actually haven't made in a long time. I haven't made it yet on this vegan challenge, but I need to do that. So I thought I would try their brand. And then I also got some red lentils. I have some green lentils in the pantry, but I thought it would be fun to try these as well. There's a chili recipe that calls for mixed beans and lentils, so I thought I could use those for that. I also got some tomato sauce, 2 cans of that, and then 1 can of pumpkin. They do have pumpkin available on their site if you guys are looking for that. I know that some people have had a struggle lately finding it in their stores. I got some organic, sorry, the light is coming in. I got some organic coconut sugar. This is something that is also vegan. If you are looking for sugar that's vegan, you have to make sure that it's not filtered with like animal bone char, which is what traditional sugar is filtered with, and this is certified vegan, so it's not. I got some raw cashews. This is something that's used in a lot of dairy substitute recipes. I also got some pinto beans and some black beans. These are both dried beans, so I will cook these up in the Instant Pot. I did grab some raisins. It's been a while since I bought raisins, and I do have a oatmeal cookie recipe that I want to try, so I thought I would grab those. Adam asked for turkey sticks, and I saw these on their site. They're actually the Thrive brand, the free-range turkey sticks, paleo and gluten-free. Here's what they look like inside the carton. So I went ahead and grabbed those. I also got some salsa. If you guys do anything today, stop at what you're doing right now. Go to Thrive's site and order this salsa. It is so freaking good. We love it. I order a jar every time I place an order from them. So definitely use the link down below and get yourself some of this salsa. You will not regret it. I also got some roasted salted dry peanuts. That's a snack that everyone likes. And then I also decided to get some light brown sugar from them as well. This is organic. It does not say that it's vegan on it though, so I won't be able to use that during my challenge, but I did go ahead and pick that up from there. I also got some coconut aminos. This is my favorite thing to get from them also. It is hard to find sometimes in my grocery stores, so I went ahead and got 2 bottles of it this time to keep in my pantry. I love it. It's so good. I like it better than soy sauce. I decided to try some of this cashew cheese sauce. This is plant-based, the Core and Rind brand. I've never seen this before in my stores, so I'm excited to try that. You guys saw me try the Four Sigmatic coffee latte mix. This is really good actually, and I was surprised to, not surprised, but I was happy to see that they had it on the Thrive website because I hear so many YouTubers talking about it. So I'm glad that I tried this, and I'll probably try some other flavors next time I get orders as well. This is also something new they have, these organic olives. This is a Greek olive mix, so I thought I could use those in salads. I also got some mustard. This is just Dijon mustard to keep in the fridge for like dressings and sandwiches and stuff. Okay, these Mary's crackers are so good. If you've never tried them, they're really, really good with hummus. They are the super seed kind, and they have different kinds of these on the website. So check these out. They are gluten-free, and they're very, very good with hummus. Like I said, I would definitely recommend them. I grabbed these for the kids. These are the Late July cheddar cheese mini sandwich crackers. I've ordered these before and we really like them. I also got them the cheddar bunnies to take in their backpacks for a snack for school. One thing also about their site is that you can filter by either diet or value. So if you're looking for specifically for peanut-free snacks for your kids to take to school, you can filter by that on their site, which makes it super easy to find stuff that fits in with that particular diet. You can also filter for like vegan, paleo, keto, etc., which is really awesome. And then lastly, I got some balsamic vinegar. I used the last of mine last week to make some homemade balsamic syrup that I could use with avocado toast. So yeah, that is everything that I got. Some stuff was repeats, but then some things were new. So like I said, if you guys want to try it out, there's a link in the description box below. thrivemarket.com/Jen Chapin. You can get a free gift up to a $24 value when you sign up for a membership. So make sure that you check that out. So one of the things that has really helped me on this 2-week plant-based challenge is having foods prepped and ready in the refrigerator. And so I'm just sharing how I am pre-cooking some pinto beans in my Instant Pot. I soaked these pintos overnight in a bowl with cold water and I drained those out. I'm going to place them in my Instant Pot with just some water and some salt. And I'm also going to put an onion in there just to give it a little bit of flavor. I'm now thinking that I should have put some garlic in, but I didn't. So I just fill that up and about an inch of water on top of the beans. And then I just use the bean and chili button on my Instant Pot. They turn out perfect. You can drain these, you can freeze them, you can use them in soups and chilies, you can mash them up and also make refried beans, which is probably what I'm going to do with part of these. That's super delicious. Cook them in a skillet with some oil and some seasonings. And so yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys how I do that. So for lunch today, I'm trying out this pho noodle bowl. It was a microwavable meal that I picked up at the grocery store and it was okay. I probably wouldn't repurchase it, but basically it comes with this packet and you put the noodles in there and put water, or I'm sorry, not water, you put the broth on top of it and microwave it. And I thought the flavor was pretty good, but it definitely did not taste like traditional pho. And I heated up some broccoli and tofu that I had meal prepped previously and ate it with the noodles, and all of that was good together. For an afternoon snack, I am having some naan bread that is vegan along with some hummus that I got at the grocery store. So I like to put my naan bread in the toaster. If you've never tried that, try it. It's like life-changing. And then tear it into pieces, and the hot bread with the cold hummus is always delicious. So for dinner tonight, I'm going to make some spaghetti. I'm starting out with some Rayo's pasta sauce. You can get this on Thrive Market. It's a really good price. If you've never tried this before, it is an awesome marinara sauce. It's the best tasting jarred marinara sauce I have ever tried. I simmered that with some Italian sausages for my family, and then I did hold back about a cup of the sauce that I could have with my spaghetti. I'm cooking half a pound of spaghetti noodles. I find that that is the perfect amount for our family of 4. If I make more than that, if I make a whole pound, we typically do not eat it all, and I don't want them to go to waste. So along with our spaghetti, we're going to have a salad and some bread. So I have some romaine lettuce here that I'm going to chop up. Sometimes I get this done on the weekends, but I've been trying to not chop it up all ahead of time too far in advance because I don't want it to turn brown. So I just like to chop that up. I put it into my salad spinner with some cold water and some lemon juice, and I let that soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. It kind of helps rehydrate the lettuce. It gives it a slight lemon flavor. And if you store this in your fridge, it will also help the lettuce keep from getting brown so fast. And for this salad, for my family, I did some regular Italian dressing. I could not have that because it had cheese in it. So I'll show you in a little bit what I'm going to use instead. But in the salad, I'm also going to slice up some cucumber. I had some mini cucumbers from the grocery store, and I'm going to put those in there along with some tomato. This is a good opportunity to use up whatever veggies you have sitting in your crisper drawer. Just kind of put everything in a big bowl, family style, and serve this salad that way. My family is also eating some croutons, but those have cheese and garlic, so I can't have those. One thing I can have is this take and bake sourdough bread, which always turns out delicious. So I am just cutting that up with a serrated knife. I just took it out of the oven. It's super hot, so be careful. Hold on to your bread with a towel and don't cut your thumb and go to the emergency room. I've never done that before. I don't know what you guys are talking about. So here's what I had. I just had the Rayo's marinara with the pasta. So stinking good, and some bread. And then on my salad, I am having this Primal Kitchen balsamic vinaigrette. You can get this on Thrive. I would definitely recommend it. It's super good. So the best thing about doing a vegan challenge is that Oreos are vegan, if you didn't know that, which has helped me with not being able to have cheese for the past couple weeks. But anyway, I am going to leave you guys for tonight. It's 9:15 and we went to Connor's soccer game tonight, and we sat outside for an hour, and it didn't feel that cold when we first got there, but it was like in the 50s and it was very windy. And so after I sat outside for an hour freezing my butt off, now I just feel like cold and sore and I want to go to bed. So I am gonna eat my Oreos and brush my teeth, wash my face, and get in bed. But I wanted to thank you for coming along with me today. I am not gonna be sharing my calories or anything like that, just because I know from tracking food on previous days on this vegan challenge that I have been way under my calorie goal and way over my carb goal for most days, just because I'm tending to obviously be eating more carbohydrates, but less calories overall, since I'm not obviously consuming meat and dairy products. So that has been interesting. I'll have other videos about this challenge and some of the reasons why I'm doing it and some of the food that I'm cooking. So I'll link those videos down below. But yeah, make sure that you check out Thrive Market. If you haven't yet, I'll leave the link in the description box below. You can get a free gift if you sign up using my link. It's thrivemarket.com/Jen Chapin. I really think that you guys will like their service and the stuff that they have. The Rayo's marinara sauce is like bomb. Like, you don't even have to do anything to it. It's so delicious right out of the bottle, just with some pasta. You don't even need meat. It's perfect. So anyway, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.